Hello, this is a short to show you a snippet of code to animate your hyperlinks. So firstly, watch the video on removing underlines on hyperlinks. I'll link it below. And then I'm going to show you how to italic, when you hover over the word and it's a hyperlink, how to make it italics. So I always start off by putting in an instruction and leaving a line. You can copy that in the blog post. And then I'm just going to copy this. So you need to know what you want to italicize. So this is paragraph. This is heading 2. So if you go over to here, I'll put it in below the video. But heading 2 is H2. So instead of font style, I put H2, and it's italicized. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, all the things.